Sean, and I'm from Thailand. If you want to visit Kunming in the winter, there's one thing you absolutely cannot miss: seeing the seagulls. Where to go and how to enjoy it? Follow me today.
Here are the top 3 recommended spots. Trehu Lake is a hidden gem in downtown Kunming. I love walking here from Old Town with this elevated walkway. It takes about 10 minutes with scenery all the way. You will see the relaxed local lifestyle. This is what true city walk feels like. For seagull viewing at Trehu, it's best to go in the morning as the seagulls tend to decrease around noon. Trehu Lake is the soul of Kunming. Here, authentic local life unfolds daily, where a modern city meets the tranquility of its history. It is the best place to experience the city's warmth, leisure, and welcoming spirit.
For more spectacular views, you must visit Seagull Dam right here.
Here, the view is expensive, and there are even more seagulls. You can also combine it with nearby attractions for a fulfilling day trip. Yunnan Ethnic Village is within walking distance. Experience the diverse ethnic cultures. For Seaside Forest Park, take the cable car over Din Lake for a full water, land, and air panoramic experience.
You prefer a more natural atmosphere, come to this place, Hai Hong Wetland.
In the evening, the light is soft. Flocks of seagulls return to roost. A truly heartwarming scene. You can also walk or cycle on the wooden boardwalk, or try boating in the water forest.
This winter, come to Kunming and meet these little travelers from afar, and also experience the unique winter romance of Spring City.